Side angle. So coming to the back of your mat, inhale, circle your arms. Exhale, step forward with your right foot. Big step forward. Back heel on the mat. Arms parallel to the mat. Sinking into the lunge. Place your right hand on the outside of your right foot. Reaching your left arm up to the ceiling. Keeping your chest open to the side of the room. Back leg straight and strong. Abs engaged. Quads engaged. Exhale, press back to standing. Going for the left side, so flip your feet. Left toes forward, right heel back on the mat. Sinking into the lunge, arms parallel. Left hand on the mat, right hand up. Chest is open. Gaze towards your hands, towards the ceiling. Exhale back to standing, and step your feet together. So from straight on, ooh, I need to go really in. Okay. Side angle.